What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the X3T truly wireless earbuds. These earbuds are budget friendly, and after doing some research online, I figured these earbuds would be perfect for my first pair of truly wireless earbuds. This is going to be a quick video just to show you guys what's inside of the box. I will be doing a full-on review in the future, so if you are interested in that, please subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified. If this video is helpful in any way, please be sure to smash that like button. It really does help out the video and the channel a lot. There will also be a link in the description below if you are interested in checking out these earbuds. Without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Okay guys, so on the top of the box we just have the X3T logo right over there, and then on the bottom we have a sticker that just says the model, which is X3T, and then the color that I have it in, and then there's nothing on the rest of the sides of the box. So let's go ahead and flip open the cover. So as soon as you remove the lid, you see the charging case as well as the earbuds themselves. So we'll go ahead and take off these earbuds and then show you guys. So here you guys go. This is what they look like. They do have letters to represent which ear they go to, so left and then right, and then we also have the X3T writing on the earbuds themselves. These are very small and lightweight. Anyways, let's go ahead and put those to the side. And then here is the charging case slash carrying case. Looks really nice. I like the color a lot, very glossy. The lid does come off quite easy though. These little slots are magnetic. Let's go ahead and try that out real quick. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty cool. As you guys can see, the case is a fingerprint magnet, and I'm sure it's gonna attract quite a bit of scratches. At the same time, who cares? It is just a case. Okay, so let's see what else comes in the box. We'll go ahead and remove this little plastic piece. And then we have a carrying case for traveling. We also have the charger, which is a USB to micro USB. We also have some extra earbuds. It comes with 3 extra pairs. And then last but not least, we just have a user manual showing you guys how to actually use the earbuds themselves. So that pretty much sums up this unboxing video. But like I said, if you guys are interested in seeing a full-on review, I will be making one in the future. So feel free to subscribe to the channel. Please hit that like button if this video was helpful in any way. Feel free to check out my new channel. It is financial related. Link below as well. Having said that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.